Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue if your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is not pairing with your smartphone. First of all, check the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Make sure that it's enabled, and even if it's enabled, you can disable it temporarily and then re-enable it and then reconnect to your watch. Also, check your wearable application. If you don't have wearable application, Galaxy Wearable, on your smartphone, you will not be able to connect to your Galaxy Watch. So you can install this application from Google Play Store. And if you have it installed, I still recommend checking Galaxy Wearable in Google Play Store to make sure that it's updated to the latest version. Also, try restarting both of your devices. To restart most Android phones, we have to press power button and volume up key. In case of Samsung phones, we hold down power button and volume down key. And after that, in both cases, you select restart. To restart your watch, you're gonna have to hold down the home button and the back key simultaneously. And then tap power off, wait until your watch is turned off, and then turn it on again by short pressing the home button. Also, check your device's Wi-Fi. And most importantly, your Wi-Fi security. Make sure that you are using the secure Wi-Fi network, because on public networks you might have some interferences that basically cause issues with connection to your watch. Lastly, you should update your smartphone by going to settings, finding software update, which you can find either directly in settings or in general management section or in about phone on some models. Make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. Besides, make sure that your device, your smartphone, is using at least Android 13 and has at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM memory. You can usually check that info in About Phone section. As you can see, we have Android 16 on this phone, and in terms of RAM memory, not sure where exactly I should check, but yeah, generally speaking, it has more than 1.5 gigabytes of RAM memory. And after checking all of these boxes, you should be able to reconnect to your watch without any issues. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.